Alright, so today I'm doing a unboxing and review of the Grabber mask from the movie The Black Phone by Trick or Treat Studios. This was one that was really hard to get my hands on. These kept flying off the shelf, especially since it got put up on the site as a last chance item. I don't know if they renewed the licensing or not. I don't know what happened, but they put these back on their site for a short bit of time. And the last chance item mark got removed. I'm sure this might be a last chance item. So anyways, here it is. Right on top, it's a really good just display in the box itself. I really enjoy like the details they put on this box. I actually have two of these, one to keep in the package and one to hang up on my wall and mess around with. I'll show you the details on the side. And I'll show you the details on this side of the box. They did a really good job packaging this. This is one of those where you can either leave it in the box and display it as is, and it's going to look good just like this, or you're going to do it like me. I have one there in the box, and I'm going to take one out, put it on my wall. So let me show you guys what this looks like outside the box. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to point this out in my last video. I'm sure some people noticed. For the occasion for these two videos I'm doing, I'm wearing my Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights Blumhouse shirt. It was perfect for the occasion. If you haven't seen the last video where I reviewed the Blissful Butcher mask and the Ladola dagger, please go check that out. But, you know, it was pretty dope to have both these movies in one maze, and I'm so glad to be able to have these. Again, as y'all can see, I am a collector. I'll do more reviews on my other stuff in my room. I'll give you like a room tour later on, but let me just knock these first few videos out first. So, here we go. So it comes in this like plastic. Okay, so there is like a little piece of tape here. Since this is my open one anyways, I'm just gonna cut this. Here we go. So I'll take those out later. So as you can see, you have it comes in 4 pieces. So you have a top, a bottom half, and then you have the other 2 pieces which are interchangeable. So you can configure the mask any way you like it. It's pretty hard plastic. I'm going to give this a try on. Now we can see what it's like. You know, if you were to buy it to put it on your face yourself. Oh man, and I like this. I really, really like this. I really wanted one to be able to cosplay with. This fits your face so nicely. Or fits my face nicely, at least, you know? It is weird having the back strap and the top strap hugging your head. It's a weird off feeling, but let me actually demonstrate also. We'll figure this out together, how to swap out these other pieces. I don't like some of the fitting issues, like if you guys can see, there's the gaps and stuff there. I'm sure if we can mess around with it and stuff, you know, you can get that together. So that is bugging me, but okay, no. If you push it, I think yeah. So if you push it together, you just adjust a little bit. It'll snap together nicely. But so there's these hooks on the back. You just undo, or these little tabs. I don't know what to call them. Little tabs on the back. We'll just push. It seems like we just push these right out. I believe. I don't know if I'm doing this right. If I fuck this mask up, I hope I don't. I will definitely go and buy another one while it's still online. Okay, so there's like a little pull thing at the bottom. So okay, makes sense. So here goes that bottom piece. Let's take out another piece from the package. Okay, see if I can do this on screen without fucking this up. So we're just gonna line that up there. And we're just gonna let me try to stand up. We're gonna push that into there. If I can just get it to line up correctly, which okay, hold on.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, we're gonna pop this tab right in. Boom. Let's pop that one in. Why am I saying boom? Okay. Forget the booms. Here goes The other tab, we're just gonna push that right in. Okay. That worked out nicely. And there you have it like this. Again, you know, you put it on and... Okay, this feels a lot better. What I'm doing now is, instead of putting one strap all the way down here, I'm putting both straps like together at the top of my head, and that feels like actually a lot more nice. Oh man. So who else is excited for Black Phone 2 to come out? I honestly think that's why they did another drop of these. I'm really pleased with this. Can't wait to display it on my wall. I'm going to display it right with the Blissfoot Butcher mask. I have to. I'm going to create my own little Blumhouse wall right here in the back. I will show that to you guys once I have a few more things done. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. I'm really trying to, you know, come outside my comfort zone. Am I saying that right? Come outside?
That's what she said.
I'm just trying to break outside my comfort zone and really try to get active on YouTube. So I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, like the video. If not, you know, no pressure. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.